I want you to look at these charts. This is where most traders lose money, not in trends but in chaos like this, and I want to show you how to survive it. Most traders are used to clean trends, higher highs, higher lows, simple entries, but when the market turns volatile, the structure breaks. So you start to get false breakouts, sharp reversals, and long wicks. So what exactly happens here? So you enter trade, it spikes against you, hits your stop loss, and then goes straight into your anticipated direction. And this has happened to me countless times personally. And you know, that's not random, that's the markets in some really different condition. And here's why people go wrong. First, they keep using tight stop losses. Second, they chase every breakout. Third, they overtrade trying to recover, and that has actually destroyed more accounts than it has even actually recovered. So if you're trading every breakout like it's clean, you are just feeding the markets, bro. So here's what I do instead. First, I wait more. Not every setup is worth it trading in volatile markets. Second, I focus on key levels instead of chasing moves. I let price come to a strong key level, and this has helped me countless times. It has saved me from so many losses. Third, I look for confirmation like rejection wicks or engulfing candlesticks. I don't just enter blindly, I also consider my indicators, and I've also made a full video talking about the 2 best indicators I use in my trading, and have helped me a lot. Link is in the description. And most importantly, I reduce risk, because in chaotic markets, survival is the only strategy. Now let me show you an example. Let me show you here. See, over here a week ago I took a very good trade on USD card. So price broke out of the key level. It gave me a very good retest, and if I'm to go over to the H4, you can see price broke through the key level, gave me a very good retest, and then I entered. And I'll check out this. When I go to the H1, you see that price came back, and now I even waited for an extra confirmation. So I did have an engulfing candlestick right here, but then I waited for a break of structure still on the H1, which you could also see on the M30, and that is where I entered this trade, and it was a very good sell. It was about 87 pips. But then something special about this trade as well, you notice that I wasn't chasing that trade, you see. So we had a breakout, so a beginner could have actually entered from around here, because alright, so we have had a breakout, so I should be entering. But then I knew we should have a retest, and of course this doesn't happen always. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So if it doesn't, of course I miss out on that trade, I let it go. But then when it gives me that retest, that's when I get really good trades, because as I've told you earlier, come to the H1, I don't even have to go to the M30 as I'm a swing trader. I only need the weekly, daily, H4 and H1. So we had a break of structure. I mean, this was just a little bit of extra confirmation. I could have even entered from here, but chose to wait for a break of structure and enter from around there. And as you can tell, the moment I entered that trade, it went straight into profit. We didn't have any drawdowns. So, and that's how I take these really good trades in chaotic markets. So yeah, chaotic markets aren't impossible to trade, you just can't trade them like trends. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that one shift alone can save you a lot from so many losses. I mean, you do not make, I don't say that you don't make losses here, but it really narrows down the number of losses you make, because here you're actually extra cautious and you're really patient with your trades. So yeah, chaotic markets aren't impossible to trade, you just have to be patient, wait for confirmation, protect your capital. That's how you stay in the game long enough to be profitable. So with all that said, peace.